Welcome to Take a Lipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off UI navigations in Roblox. Let's say for example, your UI navigation has started and as a result, you're stuck and cannot move in Roblox. To solve this, what you have to do is just go to settings. So just click on escape on your keyboard. And after that, from here, just click on help. From help, what you have to do is come here under miscellaneous controls. And you'll see UI selection toggle. As you can see, for me, it's backslash. So make sure to hit backslash and it will turn off the UI navigation for me. See what it is binded for you and just click that and it will fix it. As you can see, if I click on backslash, it's on right now and I cannot move. It just moves the UI navigation thingy. And to move physically in the game, what I have to do is click on backslash again. And after that, as you can see, I can move. And basically that is how to turn off UI navigation in Roblox. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.